The nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty. Or the nature of the awareness is aware and empty. And you are that. Now they are the same thing. Whether you prefer awareness, consciousness, truth, or God, it's the same thing. Different names representing the same thing. Now, when you hear you are that, does that change anything in your life? Does that help you? Does it help you to dissolve your struggle, your pain, your fear, your conflict, your mental drama? The answer is no, it doesn't help you right now hearing you are that. Until you walk the way to dissolve the mind. Until you dissolve the mind, you cannot become empty, and you don't see the truth of who you are. You're not able to see the nature of the consciousness, the nature of the awareness. And when you don't see who you are, just hearing the idea you are that doesn't do anything. In the spiritual journey, when you hear you are that, momentarily you feel good. At least you're recognizing the search is to figure out the truth of who you are. The search is inward. At least we are stopping the outward journey and focusing on ourselves. And in that sense, it's a little relief. Looking for the truth outside is, it's an unending journey. Where to look, right? The universe is so big, where to look? But when that idea is eliminated, then the path seems possible. Now, when you realize that you are that, and to get to that is about turning the awareness back to yourself and dissolving the mind.